1991 Fleer wax pack box. This will be video 2 of 2. I'm going to take a look at packs 3 and 4. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled. There are no notable rookie cards in the 91 Fleer set according to Beckett. And there are no error cards where corrected cards were made. Okay, let's take a look at pack number 3. Unfortunately, the way the stickers are, they take the brunt of the wax residue. And in this case, we've got a 4-banger for Major League Baseball. The Cleveland Indians, Detroit Tigers, New York Mets, and the Philadelphia Phillies, with the Phillies top 10 on back. Toss that out due to that wax residue on it. For cards, we've got Cliff Young, Jim Eisenreich, Frank Tanana, Lance Johnson, Kent Anderson, Scott Sanderson, Marty Clary, Darren Reed, Ellis Burks, Ron Hassey, Carmelo Martinez, Marty Barrett, Ernest Riles, and finally Mitch Webster. Alrighty, nobody too spectacular in that third pack. Let's take a look at the last pack, number 4. Sticker this time for the Chicago Cubs with their top 10 on back. For cards, we've got Greg Gagne, George Canali, Terry Kennedy, Bill Kruger, Devin White, Mike McFarlane, getting a lot of doubles in this pack from video 1, Edwin Nunez, Barry Jones, Dave Winfield, there's a double, but we'll put him back on the stand again, Willie McGee, Francisco Cabrera, Dwight Doc Gooden, Tony Pena, and Bob Malacky. Now that pack, I think, was the exact same pack as number 2 in video 1. Interesting. Well, we picked up another Dave Winfield. No complaints there. And we picked up another Doc Gooden. All right, folks, there you have it. Packs 3 and 4, video 2 of 2. 1991 Fleer. 14 card wax packs from the box. That's it for Fleer, y'all. We've done everything. We don't have any 1992 Fleer in the stash. So stay tuned and stay safe. We're fixing to start Score coming up next.